Today we're working on my 1998 Toyota T100. The driver's side headlight bulb has gone out, so we're going to replace that. Should be a fairly easy fix. Looks like first we need to pop the hood and unplug the electrical connector from the bulb. Then we need to rotate this plastic little holder here and pull the water shield off this rubber boot. Then we have to pull this little clip, get that to release the headlight bulb. Then we can pull the bulb out. Installation is the reverse of everything we just did, so we've got to put the bulb in right, the middle prong facing up, make sure it gets seated in there, and then put this clip down. We pull the clip closer to us and I'll slide in easy. Then we put the water shield back on, the plastic holder back on. And then plug her back in. Let's see if it worked. Looks great. Now, I did get the brightest bulbs I could find at O'Reilly's. The ones that were on here before were not very bright. Hopefully these are brighter. But as of now, the truck looks good. I'm going to do both sides so they match. The other side is exactly the same, just on the other side of the truck. Thanks for watching.